Hello. So yesterday I had a lot of students asking questions about writing assignments that they're coming across in their APEX courses. So today I'm going to address that and let you know what you need to do to get those finished. So if you've come across a writing assignment like this one here, this one is in 7th grade English, where you have to do these practices and then it pops open a writing assignment like this, and you read through it and you get down to the bottom. It says write your response below, and you're like, I can't click there. I can't type in it. That is because you're not supposed to be able to. So this is something that you can print out if you wish and write with paper pencil down at the bottom your answer, or what I would recommend is copying all of this. So highlighting all of this document, copy, then going over to your Google Drive that I created for each of you, and going to your Google Apps here, creating a document, make it a blank document, and then paste everything that you copied from that assignment onto your blank document, and then coming down to the bottom, and you will be able to type. Save it back into your Google Drive. So I'm just going to save this one from the lesson that it was from. Gonna make sure it's in the right folder. So right here I made a test one. I'm going to click move there, and it's going to go right into that Google Drive folder that you have created for yourself. So I'm going to exit it out, and you'll see there that's where it is. Most of you have several courses in APEX, so you will come across those writing assignments in multiple subjects. So I would also recommend creating a folder for each one of your classes. So I just went to new, create a folder. This one is for English. So I'm going to create that folder, and then I can put my document, all my writing assignments in whatever subject that it's for. Then I can access this Google Drive as well, and I can give you a grade for that assignment. If that doesn't work for you, if you'd rather write or, I don't know, type it in Microsoft Word and print it out, you can do that. That's okay with me, but you'll have to turn them into me at our face-to-face meeting so I can give you a grade for them. But just know that if you're coming across writing assignments and it feels like you should be able to type down there, you shouldn't. So thanks, guys.